Keto Steve presents Chopped Keto Style, a collaboration video with Freedom Homestead. One mom, two girls, two boys, 8 in all, in with Jen, and my own identity. And now for the ingredients. First up, we got almond milk, cocoa powder, avocado, and bacon. Boom, transition. All right, here we go. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees for the bacon. All right, avocado, half an avocado. Just get that in the, yeah, okay, cool. All right, here we go, almond milk, very carefully pour, very good, senor. All right, here we go, cocoa powder. Yes, get that cocoa in there, cocoa, yes. All right, dark chocolate, bada boom, bada bing, pour that in there, very good. All right, heavy cream. Oh, you all know how much I love the heavy cream. Ooh, so good, heavy cream, love that, drink it all up. Coconut oil, yes, yes, yes. Pour that, yes, excellent, excellent. All right, put the top on there, and now we're going to flip it on, very good. All right, blend it. So you can blend it for like an hour or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, or here's me just stalling, you know, but in all reality, you can blend it for like, I don't know, 60 seconds, something like that. 2, 3, 4 setting. Gonna get it nice and smooth and creamy. Get that really nice. All right, very good. All right, take the base off that. Take this away. Go away. Don't want that. Transition tray. Yes. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Yes, yes, yes. All right, now tray away. Bake that for 10 minutes. Now we're gonna do a low broil for 5 minutes. All right, graphic go away. Now, transition. Pour shot. Oh yes, that is beautiful. Oh yes, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, straw. I love it even more. Yes. Oh, and let's not forget the bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Plain old, amazing old-fashioned bacon. And that is your video. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And now, here come my social channels. Follow me on the Insta, hit me up on Facebook, send me some moolah on the Venmo, and then hit your boy up on Twitter. All right, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.